Hi there! I'm going to be reading you 3-word problems. This week we're working on subtraction, so we're going to be taking things away. Before I get started, make sure that you have some sort of counter. That means that you have some items that'll help you with these word problems. It could be Legos or blocks. Today I'm going to be using pens, so anything that you have at your house. Okay, here we go. Number 1. Aurora picks 9 flowers. She gives 7 away. How many flowers does she have left? Number 2. There are 14 people swimming in the ocean. 7 of those people get out. How many people are still swimming? And number 3. Stephanie collects 16 gumballs. She gives 6 to her friends. How many gumballs does she have left? So those are your 3-word problems for today. I'm going to help with number 1. So I'm going to read it one more time. Aurora picks 9 flowers. So I'm going to pause there and I'm going to collect my 9 items. Okay, I have my 9 pens. She gives 7 away. So I'm going to take my pens and I'm going to take 7 of them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many flowers does she have left? So 2, that's our answer. So if you wanted to write that as a number sentence, it would be 9 minus 7 equals 2. Wonderful. I hope you have a great time practicing. Let me know if there are any questions.